So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken. Okay, for this is class 11 mathematics. So question is, if f of x is equal to x square plus 4, the value of f of x is given, the function f of x is given the value, and for g of x 2x minus 1 is given. They told us to find out f of g of x and g of f of x. Okay. So the function f of x is equal to x square plus 4. I have written it as it is. I am only replacing this x by g of x. Okay, if I replace these x by g of x, I will get f of, in place of x, I am replacing it by g of x is equal to, here x, in place of x, what you are going to put is g of x the whole square. Okay, plus 4 is there, write it as it is. Now here what is value of g of x is given to you all. G of x is nothing but 2x minus 1. So plug the value here, 2x minus 1 square plus 4. Write it as it is. Only g of x value is here. Okay, the value of g of x is given right over here. Now since g of x is equal to 2x minus 1 from the question you got. Now f of g of x is equal to, now this formula, which one you all are going to use? A minus b the whole square. If you all apply this rule, you will get a square minus 2ab plus b the whole square, right? Which means that if you write 2x square, it will be, right? So 2 square means 4, x square minus 2 2s are 4, 1s are 4, x plus what else is there, 1 square is there, right? So you'll have to plug 1 square last. So it will become plus 1 square is nothing but 1. Okay, so it will be like this. 4x square you all are getting minus 4x plus 1 plus 4 is there, right? So this term will become 5 later on. This 4 is here, this one, and if you add that, you will directly, I wrote they have directly written the answer. I have showed you this step. So now what you all are going to do is, let me clean this part. Now you all can write down, after writing this, write down g of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is given, right? In the question, g of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is given. Okay, you all have found out the value of f of g of x. Same way you all have to find out the value of g of f of x. So now g of f of x, I am replacing x by f of x now. So if I replace x by f of x, what I am going to get is, now what is f of x over here? F of x is nothing but x square plus 4. So plug that value over here, x square plus 4. Okay, minus 1. So multiply 2x square, 2 4s are, you will get 8, then 8 minus 1, like this way it will be. 2x square plus 8 minus 1 is there. So we will get 2x square plus 7. Okay, after subtracting this, you will get plus 7. So it is 2x square plus 7. This is the way how you all got it. Okay. So finally you found out the value of g of f of x, which is nothing but 2x square plus 7. So I hope you all have understood this. Okay, problem how to do it. In the next class we can move further. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.